What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a retwist in style. So these are going to be some of the products that I use to retwist my hair. Of course, the lock and gel. And also I use some of these prong clips. These are really good. I have some small and I have some large. I also use the Cream of Nature. This is a great leave-in conditioner. I love this stuff for my locks. And of course a comb. So and some rubber bands. So we are about to get into this petal bun. So I already washed my hair, as y'all can see. I like to put a shirt. I don't like to use a towel because that's too much for my hair. And on camera, you guys, my hair is showing up green. My hair is not green. As you can see in my thumbnail, my hair is not green. I don't know why it showed up like this, but yeah, so I'm just going to show you guys how I retwist my hair and then how I style it into the petal bun. And we are going to jump right into it. Y'all, I was talking to my husband, my daughter. Look, she finna pop in. She always looking confused. She said, "Hey, y'all."
Hey, y'all.
So yeah, y'all, she just wants to show her face. So we is going to cue the music and I am going to show y'all how I do this. My face was looking a little bit dry, my forehead, my big ass forehead. More closer to my hairline. So I had to moisturize it, but in my next video I'm gonna show y'all what new moisturizer I use for my face, but that's not for this video. So yeah, let's just cue the music and let's get right into it. All right, y'all, so before I get into actually cueing the music, I just want to show y'all the back of my hair. That's where my more attention is, but I'm gonna skip it and we're gonna go right to the front of my hair. Alright, so now that we are in the front, I just want to show you how I retwist my hair, how I add the products, and how I make it look very neat, crispy, and clean. So as you can see, I put the locking gel on my part to make that part very crispy and clean, because again, we are doing a petal bun and you want your parts to be very clean because the front part at least is going to show in the ponytail. So I'm just adding the product, I'm smoothing it down using my hand and comb. And y'all, when you have to separate your hair and your hair is kind of like stuck together, it hurts so bad. So my face is gonna tell it all. So yeah, I make sure it's nice and smooth, clean, and I'm gonna add the product on there. And I palm roll it downward, and I'm gonna smooth it to the back. So you're gonna see how I do that. And just like that. So I did that little part. I mean, normally a lot of people nowadays retwist their hair and they don't use the clips, but that's just because it was in the front and I had to retwist the back. So you're gonna see both of those go to the back.
Whip, body, crib, got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give your all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture.
Alright, y'all, so on this side, I'm gonna repeat the same thing that I did on the other side. And y'all, one of my lock extensions came out. I don't know if y'all can see it. Yeah. But what I did on that side, I'm gonna do on the other side. And that locking gel, y'all, that's the truth. That's my new best friend, if you knew or not. But so this lock right here that I'm doing is one of my locks that I have thinning on. I have like 3 of them on this side. So I don't know if y'all gonna be able to tell. I don't know if my camera really kind of picked it up. But I'm gonna show y'all again on this side how I retwist. Because I'm doing it in a ponytail, some of my locks go counterclockwise and some of them don't. So you're gonna see on this side that I retwisted some of my hair the opposite way that I did the other one. And I was trying to do the comb retwist, but this is not the comb you're supposed to use to do the comb retwist. So that's why I just was like, let me just palm roll this. And I'm gonna clip that bad boy right back. Those clips be hurting my head too, so I'm about to stop using them. I'm gonna just use the other method that I showed you guys, the first one I did on the other side. But sometimes those come out as you're doing your hair and moving locks around and pulling them apart if they're like attached together. So I don't know, I'm gonna have to come up with a game plan. But of course, I'm always somewhere laughing. And I was struggling because I'm trying to figure out why my locks were not even. They weren't even, but I got it together. Y'all, haven't had a retwist in a long time, so my locks was just doing a lot. They were doing a lot. But y'all gonna see at the end, I got them right. So continue watching. But that first lock on this row is one of my other locks that's like, it looks like it's thinning, but we just gonna pray about it, y'all. We gonna pray about it. But yeah, y'all, continue watching. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you're subscribed. Like I said, I have a lot more content coming out. I know I always say that. Y'all can go ahead and say in the comments, Taylor, you always saying that. But I really do, y'all. I be brainstorming real bad, but I'm a real busy person. Like, I'm real busy in real life.
You know finish them on fight us. If them they run them no fit catch up. I know they form say I too righteous. No con they form say you too like us. You know get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my mind. Make you dance like broccoli. Steady clean like broccoli. Steady on my grind, oh yeah. What they want telling me could deny my fantasy. They want they check if my that be no wrong. But it they rush well well it be much. Now go they make my you there from back past. Which kind money we never see before. Cause hello me, got me feeling I'm the one I did. I never take my cake away. You can't count my grace. I just did my lane. Me no get the time, but the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my money. Make you dance like broccoli. Steady green like broccoli. Steady on my grind, oh yeah. What they want telling me to deny my fantasy. They want to check if my dad be wrong. But it they rush well well it be more. Now gonna make my heart be the wrong.
That's nasty, baby.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna send me automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished now, bitch, I just begun. I ain't giving out no nutty to no nigga just for fun. Are you dumb? You the man, I don't know no other man. You f like 100 niggas just for 100 bands. I don't even got me 100 bands. I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Give me peso, extendo. I carry just like
Funkilla, funkilla.
I let it fall, my heart. Does it feel you rose to claim it? It was dark.
All right, y'all, so we are coming to the end of this retwist in style. So right here, I am just putting my hair up to the desire of where I actually want my ponytail. And y'all had to call in the assistant for this, because when I tell you, them locks started getting thick in my hands and my arms was already on fire from retwisting from the back of my head. So y'all gonna see my oldest daughter come in and try to help me with the ponytail. Woo, right there. I felt it right there. So I'm just putting them up. I don't just put them up. I kind of try to do like 1 to 2, only because you want them to look very neat. And if you just throw them up, some can just be a little floppy and look all over the place. So you want them all to be neat. And y'all, this is where I told my daughter, like, girl, I'm gonna need your help, Pooh. Like, you gonna have to come help mama out. But you want to put it up. You want to at least put it up to your desire. You want to try. And you want a big scrunchie. Don't try to do nothing small, because baby, when I tell you, them little ones will be pulling your hair and it will hurt so bad. It's gonna hurt. So right here, I'm just trying to like see how it all looks. Do I like it at this height? And then here come my assistant. She should be coming over soon to be helping me, because I know my arms was burning at this point. Now, you seen that one in the back that wasn't flat? That's what I mean. If you just throw them all up, you're going to have them kind of like bent out. It's not going to look flat. It's not going to look neat. So y'all going to see again, like I'm swooping it. I'm fixing it to make it look all flat and neat. Dang, I thought my assistant was going to come around this time. But this is me just showing y'all. Y'all, that retwist look good. Y'all, my arms was on fire. I was not playing. Like, arms, my back was on fire. Shoulders, everything. So I'm going to have her hold it up. And I'm going to just retwist the ones at the bottom. The bottom lock, the very, very bottom locks always get me, y'all. I don't like them. I'm thinking about shaving the bottom of the back of my head again. Poo didn't know what she was doing. She was so confused. I just said, let me see. I got this. But yeah, y'all gonna see. I'm just gonna put them up to my desire that I like. And then I'll jump back on once we start doing the petals.
It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see, I'm blind.
Alright, y'all, so I finally got my hair in a neat, nice ponytail, how I like it. This is what I mean when I say flats. It has to look flat. See how neat it looks? It's like you can see your parts, you can see your squares. So I am going to show you how I do the petal bun. Right here, I was a little too close to my camera, so y'all ain't catch that part. But I'm gonna back up and I'm gonna show y'all. I realized, like, dang, I was a little too close. But so all you're gonna do, because I have a lot of locks, who was gonna sit here and be doing each lock? Not Taylor. So you're going to take 2 locks. You're going to bend it to the desire of the height that you want your petal bun. Now, if you have some that's at the bottom, you're just going to bend those and then put the rubber band at the end. So I'm going to show you again. You're just going to bend it. See how I bent it? And you're just going to put the rubber band on it. You know how you have some flowers, some petals are bigger than the other. They're not exactly the same size. That's why this is called petal bun. You're going to have some that's smaller, some that's bigger. I was showing my husband how it looks so crazy. So I'm going to repeat this step again. And I'm going to do it all over my hair. You don't have to wrap no hair around, because the more petals you have, the more it's going to cover up the surface of your hair all around. So you're going to see. So I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to let y'all watch how I do the petals.
Looking for the king, searching for the bag. Young nigga wildin', throwing up flag. Shooters on the roof with a scope. Money make gon' treat you like the Pope. Work the bunch like the Kimmy in the post. Nigga hit it with the folk. Running on the street, I'm a suspect. Hanging with the killers in the projects. They don't want a barrel, keep quiet. Catch a nigga slipping from behind. OG, Bobby, Josh. OG, Bobby, Josh. OG, Bobby, Josh. OG, Bobby, Josh. That's just niggas that you trust, tell them how they turn fade. Hey, you know your boy, cause you rockin' Birdman. Especially if your money long, guarantee a turn in. Ray, until it all, gotta watch the shirt. Hey, jealousy, that's a bitch nigga trait. These niggas snakes wanna know what you make. Run me at hole, do your little wrist take.
Alright y'all, so this is the finish of the petal bun. I hope you guys like it. Yes, I know my hair color is like 3 different colors, but it came out cute, y'all. Y'all should try it. If y'all try it, let me know down in the comments, or if you had this style before, let me know. But alright y'all, I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.